we know what we're made of. Can I have your attention, please? We may be small, but we are not weak. We are more than the kids you see, more than the kids you see. Yeah, we know that the world's in pain, and everyone's on a different page. You should hear what we have to say, instead of saying we should act our age. We know, we know, we know what we're made of. No matter if the world tries to change us, it matters what we say, though we are young. We know, we know, we know what we're made of, what we're made of. Yeah, we know that the world's in pain, and everyone's on a different page. We should hear what we have to say, instead of saying we should act our age. We know, we know, we know what we're made of. No matter
you can see
if the world tries to
has a lot of cushions protecting the wood.
it matters what we say, though we are young. We know, we know, we know what we're made of, what we're made of.
There you go. So I just had to tighten that nut, which is the cable that releases the leg. So these are the springs. There's 2 per each chair. We actually asked for more because of the situation I've been hearing on the reviews that the spring's kind of weak, but we're going to test it out before we do, if that spring could hold up our legs. There's also in this kit came these 2 plugs. It's saying that goes in the arm, so why didn't they put these plugs here? I have no idea. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait before putting these plugs in, just in case. So there's the release. This here, I guess it's the angle. You can lock it to the angle that you want, and it swivels. So let's give it a test. Wow, it's pretty firm. Nice, it swivels. You can adjust it this way. This can lock in place. Let's try the leg thing. Spring's holding it up. Wow, pretty comfortable. I want to put it back. I like how it swivels, and it's not too loose, so it does require a little bit of effort to move it, so it's not like if you're going to be traveling, it's going to be sliding all around. Tell us what you think. You know, it's got like that mahogany wood color, and love the stitching. This here is a nice little support. It's got these nice little support cushions. There's the swivel. So I'm going to tell you, it takes about maybe a half a pound of pressure, or a pound, to move it. Show you here. So we did get this strap, and this is the strap. We got the smallest one out of the 2. It's like 90 something inches. And this is the strap that we will go ahead and screw onto the floor in order to tie them down as we travel. So I'll do the other one, and then I'll show you what the two look like in that spot. So here it is, both seats sitting side by side. Looks pretty cool. Look how much room you have on the side, which we wanted. Ultimately, we want to get an ottoman to put in the middle. But check this out. So as you can see, I can lean back on this. It's comfortable. This thing here will lock it in place. So if I want this position, just lock it in place and I won't slide any further down. And remember, I can swivel on here. And because the way it's designed, I can actually rock. I'm gonna let go of this because I wanna go ahead and lean back, and I'm gonna bring my legs up. There you go. Check this out. It's pretty comfortable, I have to say. And like I said, this here pillow behind my shoulder blades, as long as I'm leaning down, it's fine. So I'm 5'8", and so if you're probably a little bit taller, it might, you know, bother you a little bit. But when I'm laying down, it's not. But as I bring this back down, I'm not sure if you can see, this pillow's right here by my shoulder blades. Come closer here so you can see here. You can see there how it's right here instead of being up here. So I just wish this would be a little bit smaller. Other than that, I love it. So listen, so check out their website right here, RecPro.com. They got all sorts of type of furniture, but they have these here that swivel. They have different colors. This happens to be gunmetal. Ultimately, we're going to be painting the inside to a white and a light gray. If you go to the description below, the company gave us a code for you all so you guys can get a discount. There was no shipping costs, which was nice. It got here in a timely fashion, 2 boxes. It did fit through the door very tightly, but we got it through. Very light, the boxes. Now, we're not making any money off of these videos, off of this chair. This is simply that we bought with our own money. We like the furniture, we like the service that they gave us, and so because of that, we felt that we had to put it on video for you guys. And
Absolutely.
So we requested a coupon so like that you guys can get the discount.
I agree. In fact, we also want to mention the fact that they have a 3-year warranty with their products, and their customer service was impeccable. I couldn't believe how quick, when I had questions, someone was right there ready to answer them. Even when I emailed some things, I still got a response within a day or two. So that was really refreshing to have that happen. So I don't think you'll be disappointed using this company at all.
The only thing is, I'm not sure why they didn't put the plugs on here, because there's no need for me to adjust this. So it would have been nice if they just would have put the plugs already on it, but that's no big deal. You actually put it on and just tap it in, make sure you put something so you don't damage it.
Yeah.
But other than that, yeah.
The quality is good. And you know, Clem, I think that the pillow behind your neck, I think that's something that you probably could get used to over time. It's just that it's different than what you're used to at the moment, because it's not like it's irritating. It's just something that's different than what you're used to, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Alright guys, listen, don't forget, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It will help our YouTube channel, and the algorithm can do its thing and share it with others. But give us a comment below. Tell us what you think. You know, do you have these chairs already? What do you think about them? Do you like the color? The stitching? What do you guys feel about the stitching? Let us know in the comments below. And if you have any questions, we will answer you back. So you guys, see you in the next video.